Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another great video today. So what we're doing here today is we're gonna work on the passenger side. Same thing applies except for a little more complicated because of the inverter on the driver's side, but we're gonna change out and show how to change out simply the low beam headlamp, except for we're going to be doing the passenger side. So the headlamp here is pretty easy to access. So when you pop your hood, there's a lot of space here to work because Toyota makes things so you can actually do a few things and not have to really worry about it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see how I'm going to change out the bulb. So I did pick up a bulb from Walmart, not Costco, because Costco doesn't sell bulbs and things like that. And what we need here for our car, this is a 2016 Toyota Camry XLE hybrid, top of the line model for the Toyota Camry hybrid. Yeah, it looks like the headlights need some polishing or scrubbing to get them restored so you can see out of them. They're not the greatest. So, but anyways, what you need here for the low beam is an H11 bulb, and let's take a look where it is at. So if we're looking here, the bulb for the H11 is right down in there, so it's pretty accessible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reach down in here and I'm gonna give it a little bit of a turn. So you want to turn in the counterclockwise manner, and it should come out. There it is. Just give it a quarter turn and it should come out. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take a look at this. If you can see down in there, or right here, there is a clip that you're going to press on right here. Just lift up, if it will lift up, and it should come out. So let me stick the apparatus on my head so you guys can see how this is going to work. Bear with me. Alright, so now that this is on my head, you are looking at it from where I'm looking at it. So there is a clamp. You press down here on the clamp, hopefully you guys can see this, and you lift up on the bulb. Bulb comes right out, and we can see there's a burnt filament there. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it out. So now what I'm going to do is I come over here to the headlamp. It is a 55 watt bulb, and we're going to come over here, and we have our connector, and what we're going to do is just simply slide it on there. Make sure you put it in the right way, and you should be able to see this, and it should click. Oops, ran into the car, and it's in there. Okay, it's in there, and then we're gonna take a look at it. It goes in there, and we get it started, or if we can get it started. It's not going too quickly. Sometimes just lining up the clips is the most time-consuming part of this. Okay, we've got it in there. now what we can do is we can see we've placed our bulb in here, and what we want to do is give it a nice turn, quarter turn, and now the bulb is in the position so it was sideways like this, and then it's facing down like that now. And let's give it a tug. Yep, it's in there. So now we're gonna now I'm gonna go into the car and we're gonna see if this actually works. So hang out right here and we'll be right back, YouTube. I also spotted that there's an oil leak somewhere on this car that I'm gonna have to have addressed, which doing this timing cover is a pretty big freaking deal. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm gonna investigate that because I don't like to see oil leaking from the block, and who knows where that could be leaking from. But anyways, well, let's go see if my replacement worked here. Alright. Enjoy staring at the car. While I'm come back. So now I'm turning the headlights on. And we're back, and we have successfully changed the bulb in the 2016 Toyota Camry XLE hybrid sedan. It's got a hybrid setup, so it's just that simple, folks. Under the 10-minute mark, less than that, about 5 minutes. Save yourself a trip to the mechanic shop or the dealer or wherever you get your light bulbs or vehicle service. So, all right, YouTube, that'll be all for now. Talk to you later. This has been Outdoor Guy 365 with a great video for you. Bye-bye.